Hi everyone. The most gorgeous space in the house, the living room, is often considered as the soul of a home. With endless options starting from color selection to material choices, it's very easy to get lost. Today, I would be taking you through our thought process of creating a bespoke experience that engulfs you. My name is Nitin Kohli, and this is Lifestyle by Nitin Kohli Home. Now coming to some latest trends for designing a bespoke living room in 2022. First, one most important trend which we are curating this year is layering. You might have noticed that today we are creating panelings on the walls and then also layering it further with some level differences. Now this could be differentiated with cove lights or different color tones. Second, once you have moldings and level differences, my advice is to go soft on the colors on the walls. Do not use loud and stark colors on different layers. Third, from 2021 and continuing into 2022, we are seeing a lot of furniture with textures and mixed media. There's steel, there's fabrics, there's wood, veneer, different elements that we actually are using on furniture. Hence, in the furniture, try and use pastel fabrics wherever possible. Fourth, coming to the last part of your setup is stylizing, and yet it's the most important part. Here, we can have a melange of colors, shapes and pieces from different era of your lifetime. The artwork could be a splash of colors, the vases could be from different eras of your life, and this will give a living room a comfortable and a mature ambience. Rest, the home grows with you as you live in it over the years. Thank you for joining us today. We hope with this we've given you some design ideas for your next home project. Let us know in the comments below about your design inspirations and stay tuned for a journey of transformation with Lifestyle by Nitin Kohli Home.